Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly unbox my Gucci Marmont super mini handbag in nude color, I believe. This is so short because it is intentionally done for my Instagram, but I decided to post it also on my YouTube channel. So hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try to answer it for you. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do, and thanks for watching. Bye.